in today's video, I'm going to share yet another favorite chocolate and snack brand of mine, Hu. Hu is short for human and was started in 2009. This brand is an organic and natural food company that's widely known for their chocolate, but also produce snacks such as crackers and cookies. This is a family-owned company that began when founders Jordan Brown, Jason Karp, and Jessica Karp wanted to offer food that focused on human health that would not only taste great, but make one feel and perform better. They're all about wellness and discovery through research, which is essential for understanding the food industry and how to make it better. With their food, they're all about minimizing the burden it has on the body. They don't use any strange, unnatural ingredients. They aim for purity. Not only do I love their products, I've tried nearly everything they have, but I love their philosophy. They're really dedicated to improving human health by providing chocolate and snack foods that have none of the harmful ingredients that are common in their conventional counterparts. Their mission is to get people back to being human, eating the way they did before the modern food industry pretty much destroyed food. So, with Hu, you don't have to question what you're eating. All their products are non-GMO, USDA organic, fair trade, and certified gluten-free. I love this company's dedication and really putting people's health first over profits. They vet every ingredient to ensure they make their products taste great and nourish the body, not compromise it. They're not lazy in their approach to accomplishing this. Hu's primary products are chocolate, cookies, and crackers. With chocolate being their main and most popular offering, they have a variety of flavors with seasonal ones available throughout the year. Some notable ones are simple dark chocolate, cashew butter and raspberry, crunchy mint, and vanilla crunch. Along with their chocolate bars are chocolate gems, great for baking and snacking, and hunks, which are dried fruit and nuts covered in chocolate. A great thing about their chocolate is how simple they are. They contain no soy or sunflower lecithin, no dairy, no emulsifiers, no palm oil, no cane sugar, no erythritol, no sugar alcohols, and no refined sugar. They're certified paleo, gluten-free, vegan, kosher, and USDA organic. Without all of the junk, virtually anyone with any special diet can consume this chocolate. For example, their simple dark chocolate bar only contains 3 ingredients: organic cacao, organic unrefined coconut sugar, and organic fair trade cocoa butter. With their grain-free cookies, they have 4 varieties: chocolate chips, snickerdoodle, peanut butter, and ginger snap. Their bite-sized cookies come in small packs, which is great for traveling with. They have no added sugars, no sugar alcohols, no lecithins or gums, no grains or gluten, no dairy, no erythritol, no refined starch or tapioca, and no stevia. They're sweetened with dates, use coconut oil, and real vanilla bean. No artificial or hidden flavors and ingredients. And with their grain-free crackers, they have 3 flavors: sea salt, everything, and pizza. If you're looking for crackers to dip into hummus, eat with avocado, or just snack on when on the road, these are it. They have no gluten or grains, no sunflower oil, no lecithins or gums, no tapioca, no dairy or soy, no maltodextrin, no seed or vegetable oils, and no refined starches. They use coconut oil and organic herb extract, something I've never seen from the conventional brands. So I've mentioned many pros about Hu. The main one is their food is as real and natural as it gets when it comes to processed foods. Every ingredient is identifiable and healthy to consume. You don't have to worry about getting sick months or years down the line by consuming their products over and over again. Also, they simply taste great. Sometimes foods that are considered healthy can taste bland or outside of what many people are familiar with. But not Hu's products. They taste just as you would expect chocolate to taste, cookies to taste, and crackers to taste. Lastly, they're a genuine ethical company. When they think about the products they offer, they think about the ones who will consume them, humans. They're dedicated to improving the quality of processed foods that humans have access to. They're all about going back to nature, only consuming ingredients that are right from nature and harmless. The only real con is the price, but considering what you're getting and the investment in health you're making by choosing organic, natural food over chemical-ridden, ultra-processed ones, it's an investment worth making. I'd rather pay for healthy food now than potentially expensive medical bills later. But beyond the price point, Hu's products are snacks, so there's something you can choose to eat occasionally when you really have a craving for what they provide. Spending $6 on a chocolate bar or $6 on a box of crackers, even $5 on a bag of cookies every now and then shouldn't be a problem if the bulk of your diet are from whole food staples, which tend to be low cost. If you're curious to know what I've tried nearly all their products minus a few chocolate flavors, cookies, crackers, and hunks. But overall, my favorites are the chocolate chip cookies, sea salt crackers, chocolate gems, and cashew butter raspberry chocolate bar. I have no complaints on them, I love them all. The only thing I would say is I wish there were more cookies per bag, since I can easily eat one in one sitting. They're 2.25 ounce bags. So that's it. That's the Hu brand and one I recommend you try out today if you love chocolate, cookies, and crackers, but have a lot of food allergies and concerns or simply want to eat healthier. Please like, comment, and definitely share so others who are looking for better snacks that won't make them sick can discover this brand. Subscribe for more videos, and until next time, take care.